some hole in this part where we need it. And make another one in this part of the tree. And we cover that area. With a couple branches right here, we're gonna cover this space, this big space there. There you go, see? That's what I'm doing all the time here at the store. So I can create something special for you. Please come and see me. I'm here to help you all the time. So far it looks full the top. You see? Now the next part of the tree we have to work is in the middle. So which now I don't need a lot. Because this is a beautiful trunk, this is a beautiful branch. So I have to show the texture of this branch also. So I don't have to cover with a lot of flowers in this part, which you can see is very real, very nice branch. Very beautiful branch. So it's very important also to show to the customer this part of the tree, because this is very specific branch. I got it to make this. So you can see in this is empty space. We had to add some branches to cover, to make the balance with the other side. So I turn it to this side. Guys, you can see what I'm gonna do in this part of the tree, okay? I already made some holes before, but I have to redo it. And you can see it, this is one. Okay. Right here we have another one. There you go. I'm gonna put those two branches first, and then after that, the tree can tell me exactly where I'm gonna add another one, okay? So that's the only way when I make a custom tree, I can create my trees. That's a secret, how I work. Okay, now this flower is not that long, so it looks more better now. Let's look at that. I'm gonna add another one this side. We almost finished with this part. The difference now, see? There you go, right there. See? We now add a few branches on this side. Only this part. Now, as soon as I put in this branch, I can see it's missing something in this part. Okay? But still I'm gonna add one more in this part. Right there. I know exactly that you need it a little right here. It's gonna be one. Maybe another one right here. See, I made the two holes already. Let's make more easy the job. This is gonna be the first branch, which is right here. And the little one, but I got it before, which is this. You're gonna add on the bottom. Okay. Now we close this part of the tree. So this tree, we have one side which is the face, the other side is the back side. So this part is the back side. Now we're gonna turn it to the front, which is the face of this tree. And you can note it. You can see how's the tree. Okay, so now you can see the tree. This is my tree, cherry blossom, 9 feet, blush color.